Hello everyone. Today we will be going to solving the problem from Codeforces round 719 division 3. So the question is same differences. So you are given an array A of n integers. We have to count the number of pair of indices ij such that I less than j and aj minus ai equals to j minus I. So basically it's a very easy sum. The full code of this sum will be based on this equation aj minus ai equals to j minus I, and let's go to the code and we will code it out there. As it's easy, I will explain you all the things in the code only. So let's code it out. Include bits slash stdc plus plus h using namespace std. So let's see what will be the inputs that we have to use. So it will contain a integer t, the test case is integer n, the length of the array and also the array, right? So what we will do is, let's take first of all what we will do is we will take the test cases in t, c in t, while t minus minus, let's take the length int n, c in n. So basically our problem will be based on the equation aj minus ai equals to j minus I. Okay, so let's take it here. So basically we will do is we will shuffle the equation. We will do is aj minus j equals to ai minus I. So here aj is element of array j and j is the index value of that element. Ai is also the uh, element and I is the index of that element. So basically what we will do, we will take an input on each iteration. So in this process we will be using hashing. So we will use an unordered map. So let's take it, unordered map of int comma int map. So let's run the for loop till I equals, from I equals to 0 to I less than n, I plus plus, and we'll take the input as num. So let's initialize it. Okay, so when taking the input, we have to initialize also the count value. We have to find the number of elements that are similar, that are distinct. Okay, so count equals to, we'll take count equals to 0. So what we will do is we will increment the count whenever the maps values, we have similar values of the elements in the map. Okay, so map of num, that will be a of j, and here I means it will be the index element. Whenever the value of the maps element is similar, so what we will do is increment its value. Okay, so this will be the value, and finally what we will do is we will see out count, so not in the string normally, and endl. I will return, not here, after the while loop return 0. Okay, let's take the inputs examples. Let's see if it's running or not. One three three 10, 133 10. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking fine. So if anyone hasn't understood the sum, so let's take an input and try run it so that you have a better knowledge of it. Okay, so this is the input. So 6 is the length of the elements and these are the elements, right? So what we are doing is we will increasing the count whenever the maps, we have maps value is similar, the elements value is similar. Okay, first of all let's take the elements value. So first 3 and its index value is 0, so 3 minus 0 equals to 3. Okay, so 5 5 minus 1 equals to 4. This is dissimilar. Then 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1. This is also dissimilar. 4 minus 3 uh, 4 minus 3 equals to 1. It is also dissimilar. Then it's 6 minus 4 equals to 2. It is also dissimilar. So, and last is 6 minus 5. It is 1 that we have got previously. So here the count's value will be 0. Let's take some gap. So it's here the count's value will be 0 because we have found only the first element. Here also the count will be 0. Here also the count's value will be 0 because it is also a distinct element. Here also the count's value will be 0 as we have found 1 for the first time. Here the count's value is 0 also because we have found the count of 2 as 1 is for the first time. But as we have found 1 here already in previous value in our map, so we will increase the map's value, elements value to 1. Will increment this value. Now the count's value will be 1. So I guess this is the, yes, this, let's see, yeah, this is the value output. So let's take another example, 3 1 2 3. Okay, let's see it. For 1 minus 0 equals to 1, it is 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, similar value. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So we have got 3 similar values. So our count's value will be, here it will be 1, here it will be 2, and now it will be 3 because we have got 3 similar values. So let's see. Yeah, this is 3 because we have got 3 similar values. So let's download the code and let's submit it. It's giving some error. Let's see. So we are getting some errors. So by checking it, I have seen it that we have to take the counts value as a long. So we initialize long. Okay, and then what we will do is, this is nums, will declare it, and then it will be ll count. So count will be in long. Let's run it. Yeah, it's running fine. Let's download the code, map of 1. So let's submit it again. Yeah, it's running absolutely fine. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video.